Native speakers almost never say, very good. Shocking, right? But here's the thing. If you're still using very for everything, you're stuck in beginner patterns. Today, we're breaking free from 5 mistakes that keep intermediate learners sounding, well, intermediate. Ready to actually sound fluent? Instead of very good, native speakers say, that's fantastic, that's brilliant, or that's awesome. These are real phrases. And here's the bonus. They're actually easier to remember because they're more fun. Why say very interesting when you can say fascinating? One word beats 2. Fewer mistakes, more impact. This one trips up so many B1 learners. You say, I go usually to the gym. Native speakers say, I usually go to the gym. The adverb goes before the main verb, not after. Same mistake happens with frequency words like often, always, never. Put them right after the subject, before the verb. Practice this one sentence today and you'll hear the difference immediately. Here's where confusion lives. Use for with durations. I've lived here for 3 years. Use since with specific points in time. I've lived here since 2021. Not since 3 years. That's one of the most common mistakes we hear. Quick check. If you can count it as a number of days, months, or years. Use for if it's a specific date or event. Use since. Boom. Problem solved. You say, I work from home these days. Wrong tense. You should say, I'm working from home these days. See the difference? Work sounds permanent. I'm working sounds temporary. This is huge for sounding natural. Whenever you have time markers like these days, right now, at the moment, use present continuous, not simple. Your fluency will jump instantly. Native speakers hear the article drop and immediately know you're learning English. Not using the a, or, and correctly makes even advanced vocabulary sound rough. Say, I went to the beach, not I went to beach. Say, I eat an apple, not I eat apple. Yeah, it feels repetitive, but that's literally English. This one habit change alone will make native speakers take you seriously. Practice with common phrases. The morning, the evening, a mistake, an opportunity.